So guys, as right now I'm buying TechM in the market level now. So let's see how the stock will perform. So buying this stock as the stock is in a very good support level, and you can see the first 15 minutes candle, it is showing a lot of volume towards the buying side. So there are a lot of buyers also. So that's why I decided to go buying on TechM. So plan to take like 5 to 6 point target, which is almost like 0.5% of the stock, and exit. Okay, so let's see how the stock will perform. So I have bought TechM now. So as the stock has taken a good support around 1050, from there it has come up. So now you can see it is going up. The high made is 1059 as of now. So once that 1059 breaks, I can expect like 5 to 6 points, because the resistance is somewhere around 1065 and 1068, somewhere around there. So within that I can take my exit is what the plan is. So let's see how the stock will perform. Right now we are holding the buy position of TechM now. Okay, so waiting for a good breakout to happen. So once the breakout happens, you can see a good fast movement coming in the stock. Okay, and also you can see the market is not much of a bearish side today. It is at a good support level, and you can see market has crossed 17,700. Okay, so let's see now. So if you are new to the stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us now. I'll teach you the simple skill to make consistent profit. Okay, no indicators and no complicated things. It's a one-time payment and you get lifetime support. To provide NSE and MCX trading course, the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program, and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, yes, now back to the trading. So you can see it has made a high of 1061. Yes, the stock has made a high of 1061, and now let's see till where the stock will perform. So as I said to you, my exit point is somewhere around 1065, around there. So okay, so about 5 to 6 points is my target. So once I take my exit, I'll update you guys. And also you can see the market is turning towards a bullish side. As of now, at the top left you can see the market is 0.10% up almost. So let's see how it will perform, and we are in a buy position, still holding the buy position now. Okay, so the first 15 minutes candle is still being formed here, and once it is completed and once it gives a breakout from there, we can expect more movement to happen. So let's wait for it. Okay, and once I take my exit, I'll update you guys. Okay, so now there is some key resistance around 1060. It can hit and the stock can come down a bit, is what my view is, and we'll have to wait for it. Okay, as the market is turning bullish, even if it comes down a bit, I can wait, because the market is still bullish and there are the chances where the stock can go still much higher. Okay, so let's wait for it. And yes, once I take my exit, I'll update you guys. So until that, you can see the live trade how the stock will perform now. And also, if you guys wish to get the live market guidance from me, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen, and I'll be guiding you personally to make consistent profit in intraday trading. So guys, yes, if you guys can see, the stock has almost made a high of almost 1065. Right now it's trading around 1064.5, somewhere around there. So yes, the stock went up like almost 7 to 8 points from the levels where I bought and I took my exit. So you can see right now also it's making its new high. So this was the profit what I was able to book today, the today's state of Tekken. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us today. You can go into my channel and watch all the videos. So every day I upload like how much profit I made in intraday trading, so you can watch all of this performance, and you can also see my client screenshot of profit in my blog, which I've given in the link in the description below of this video. And if you guys are motivated to make consistent profit from today, and if you guys wish to learn the good techniques to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.